Hi, welcome back to Everyday Gourmet Meal Enhancements Made Simple. I'm Don Reed, owner of Strawberry Tree Farm Sales, with another cooking tip to either save you time, avoid frustration, or bring out your natural creativity. Your family is going to smile and say, "Oh yes, that is so good. Let's do it." Okay, next in our series of easy gourmet meal enhancers made simple, we're going to show you how in 3 easy steps we're going to make some of the most delicious lentil stew that you have ever tasted. We're going to mix, in the directions say mix 6 cups, we're probably going to use 5, a little more, and we're going to add a 14.5 ounce can of Italian style diced tomatoes to the mix. Then we're going to bring it to a boil, and then we're going to put in, for extra flavor, some Italian sausage, pre-cooked. Then we're going to cook it uncovered for 20 to 30 minutes, and you'll know how you like it, because how long you cook is going to depend on how al dente or how well done you want your beans. Okay, so now we're going to add our water. And we're adding a little over 5 cups. And we're going to add our diced tomatoes. It's a 14.5 ounce can, diced tomatoes. We're going to whisk in our lentil stew mix. Get everything mixed up nice, and then we're going to bring it to a boil. Now you can see we've brought it to a boil, and we have reduced the heat to a low boil, and we're going to cook it for 20 to 30 minutes. We're going to start checking it maybe 21 minutes, and with about 5 minutes to go, that's when we're going to add our Italian sausage to the mix. Okay, our lentil is cooked. Look at this. Oh boy. That's so nice. Really, that's a meal. Put a salad with it, we're good to go.